Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be just a very quick small unbagging, and this is actually a part of my 2019 Never Say Never series. So if you have not checked out my prior Never Say Never unboxings, I will leave the links below so you can check out those videos of some items that I at one point said never to. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the bag, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's see what's inside of the bag. And again, this is a small unboxing. So as you can see, it is in a box. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick look. It did come in a box. And just a very quick backstory behind this Never Say Never item. This is an item that I have a love-hate relationship with. So what caught my eye was the color combination. So let's just take a quick look, see what I got. So here it is wrapped. Not a very good wrapping job, but here we have it guys. And this is the Dooney Bourke Beacon Woven Large Zip Around Wallet in the color Dandelion. Absolutely beautiful guys. And so the reason why I said never to this item is not the item in particular, but the pattern. I was not a fan of this woven pattern. I think the bags are absolutely beautiful, just not quite my style in a full bag. So I thought that just picking up a little accessory in this pattern would not be too much out of my comfort zone. But again, when I saw the wallet, I thought it was absolutely perfect for a nice pop and still give me the best of both worlds of trying out something that I said never to, but also having the beautiful yellow that I absolutely love. So let me just give you a close-up of this pattern. It is a woven embossed pattern. It is not, if I am not mistaken, real woven, you know, like woven. I think it is processed a different way, but it is very lifelike. So here we are. It has the Dooney Bourke patch here on the front that is layered on the beautiful dandelion beacon leather. Then it has this nice little strip of the beacon leather here at the bottom, and it wraps around to the back. The zipper pull also has the beacon leather here, and let's just go on the inside really quick. So here is the inside, and this is another reason why I decided to pick up this particular wallet. Let's just take out some of the insides. It does come with a registration card. And then there is my tag, and it is also a wristlet, so it comes with a wristlet that you can detach or attach, and you can carry it on your arm. So here is the inside. Let me take out the silica gel packets. So here's the inside guys, absolutely beautiful. The first thing that I love about this wallet is that it has the accordion opening here where you can pretty much fill this thing up. So it has 6 card slots on the back wall. It has a section here for your cell phone or for credit cards, additional cards, or papers, receipts, or anything. And then here It has a zipper pocket that is also that beautiful cotton striped lining, very pretty. And on the front wall, we have 6 more card slots here, and then another little section here for your phone or for receipts or papers. So just the typical wallet setup here, nothing too different about it. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to again share with you my new large zip around woven wallet from the Beacon collection in the color Dandelion. And I was trying to decide what I would be able to pair this wallet with because the pattern is so unique. But I came up with just a few items. So let me share with you really quickly just a few bags that I think that I would pair this Beacon wallet with. Okay guys, so with fall being here, my #1 pick and the #1 bag that came to my mind was my Dooney Bourke Maple Leaf Dover Tote in the color olive. And I think the woven wallet is absolutely perfect with this tote. It helps to complement the yellow in the leaves. So again, this is one of the first bags that came to mind when trying to pair my new Beacon zip around wallet. Okay, so you guys know that I love, love, love me a beautiful Clayton. So I could not go without thinking of a Clayton satchel, and this is in the color Sunflower. And I think that the Beacon zip around wallet in the color Dandelion is absolutely perfect with the Clayton satchel in Sunflower. Okay guys, so although many may consider this a spring summer bag, I would have to agree on this one. This is one of the 2 bags that I only pull out during the spring and summer. And the first bag is the Maple Leaf Dover Tote that I just featured. So I thought that if I get a wild hair, and in my area it is still 90 something degrees, that if I wanted to, I could still pull this off. So here we have the Beacon wallet paired with my Dooney Bourke Esmeralda Dover Tote in the color navy. And again, I think the wallet is a beautiful complement to the flowers in the tote. It's the perfect size, and I think again that it is the perfect complement. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.